Introduction: why stain or paint wood? When it comes to finishing wood, two popular options are staining and painting. Both methods can transform the look of your wood while offering protection against elements like moisture, sunlight, and daily wear and tear. Staining and painting not only beautifies your wood but also extends its lifespan, making it a worthwhile project for DIY enthusiasts. 2. Understanding the difference between stain and paint. Before diving into the actual process, it's important to understand the difference between staining and painting wood. Stain penetrates the wood grain, enhancing its natural look and texture. It offers a more natural finish and allows the wood's grain to show through. Stains come in different shades, from light to dark. Paint, on the other hand, sits on top of the wood and provides a solid, opaque finish. It offers a wide range of colors and is great for covering imperfections. Unlike stains, paint completely covers the wood grain. 3. Tools and materials you'll need. Here's a list of essential tools and materials for both staining and painting wood. For staining: stain of your choice, water-based or oil-based. Sandpaper, 120 to 150 grit. Clean rags. Paintbrushes or foam brushes. Tack cloth. Protective gloves. Drop cloths. Wood conditioner, optional. For painting: primer. Paint, latex or oil-based. Paintbrushes or rollers. Sandpaper, 120 to 220 grit. Painter's tape. Drop cloths. Tack cloth. Paint stirrer. Protective gloves. 4. Preparing your wood surface. Preparation is key to achieving professional results when staining or painting wood. Follow these steps for optimal results. Clean the wood. Dust, dirt, or grease can prevent the stain or paint from adhering properly. Use a damp rag or tack cloth to clean the surface. Sand the wood. Sanding smooths the surface and opens up the wood grain for better stain absorption. For painting, sanding ensures an even surface. Wipe off dust. After sanding, wipe the wood with a tack cloth to remove all dust and debris. Apply wood conditioner. For staining, a wood conditioner helps the stain absorb evenly, especially on softwoods like pine. 5. How to stain wood, step-by-step guide. Staining wood is a relatively simple process, but attention to detail makes all the difference. Step 1. Choose your stain. Select a stain that suits the look you're going for. Water-based stains are easier to clean, while oil-based stains offer more durability. Step 2. Stir the stain. Before applying, thoroughly stir the stain to ensure even color distribution. Avoid shaking the can, as this can create bubbles. Step 3. Apply the stain. Using a clean brush or foam brush, apply the stain in the direction of the wood grain. Work in small sections, ensuring even coverage. Step 4. Wipe off excess. After letting the stain sit for 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the desired depth of color, wipe off any excess with a clean rag. Step 5. Let it dry. Allow the stain to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Most stains need at least 24 hours to fully dry. Step 6. Apply a top coat, optional. For added protection, apply a clear top coat like polyurethane or varnish once the stain has fully dried. 6. How to paint wood, step-by-step guide. Painting wood requires a bit more preparation but can result in a bold, colorful finish. Step 1. Prime the wood. Apply a coat of primer to ensure the paint adheres well to the wood and provides a smooth finish. Let the primer dry completely before moving on. Step 2. Sand the primer. Once the primer is dry, lightly sand it with fine grit sandpaper, 220 grit, to remove any brush strokes or bumps. Step 3. Apply the paint. Stir the paint thoroughly and apply it with a brush or roller in long, even strokes. Paint in the direction of the wood grain for the best results. Step 4. Let it dry. Allow the first coat to dry according to the paint's instructions, usually 4 to 6 hours. Step 5. Apply a second coat. For a smoother, more durable finish, apply a second coat of paint. Step 6. Seal the paint, optional. For outdoor or high-traffic areas, you can apply a protective sealer over the paint to prolong its life. 7. Top mistakes to avoid when staining or painting wood. Skipping the sanding step, sanding ensures a smooth surface for the stain or paint to adhere to. Not using a primer, for painting primer helps the paint stick better and last longer. Applying too much stain/paint at once, applying thin, even coats is the key to avoiding drips and uneven coverage. Rushing the drying process, patience is important. Let each layer fully dry before applying the next. 8. Tips for maintaining your stained or painted wood. Regular cleaning. Dust or wipe the surface with a damp cloth regularly to keep it looking fresh. Reapply protective coats. For outdoor furniture or items exposed to moisture, reapply a protective coat every year or as needed. Avoid harsh chemicals. When cleaning, avoid using abrasive or chemical-laden products that can damage the finish. 9. Common FAQs about staining and painting wood. Question: can I paint over a stained wood surface? Yes, but you'll need to sand the surface first and apply a primer to ensure the paint adheres properly. Question: should I use an oil-based or water-based stain? Oil-based stains offer more durability, while water-based stains dry faster and are easier to clean up. Question: how long does it take for stain or paint to dry? Stain generally takes 24 to 48 hours to fully dry, while paint can take 4 to 6 hours between coats. 10. Conclusion: achieving professional results. Whether you choose to stain or paint your wood, following these steps will help you achieve professional-looking results. Preparation, patience, and attention to detail are key to transforming your wood projects into beautiful, long-lasting pieces. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips and project ideas. And here's something special: if you're ready to build your own Adirondack chair, we've got a detailed guide just for you.